Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we're going to talk about Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT. I feel a reversal is going to happen soon, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you which indicators I've used to indicate that Caterpillar may reverse. These indicators may be different than ones you're using. You can validate with yours. And I'm going to discuss the broken wing option strategy. The Stock Planner channel is an education channel where we share ideas, we learn from each other, and we win. I don't recommend taking a trade exactly like I'm taking a trade. You must develop your own system, practice it, and win. In other words, do your own due diligence. Don't blindly follow anybody on the internet. It's not good. If you like these trade ideas and similar trade ideas, don't forget to look out on my Discord. We post these trades throughout the day. Well, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what Caterpillar does. Ticker symbol CAT, construction, mining, equipment, tractors, bulldozers. And we're looking at Simply Wall Street, and this is a snowflake. And you can easily see, you're looking for big green snowflakes, and you can easily see that this stock pays a dividend. It has pretty good value, and then yes, it's trading at 20% under value. A fairly good future. I don't think Caterpillar's going anywhere. It had some past problems, probably during the COVID, and you can investigate that further. And it's a very healthy company. 10% growth every year, expected to grow 4 or 5% this year. And it's within its peers, trading at good value within its peers. Some of its competitors. And if you want to filter out, it swings pretty nicely. That up, down, and I think it's going to come back up. Here's an article written by one of the authors in Simply Wall Street. And basically it says that Caterpillar has demonstrated robust financial performance and consistent track record, indicating that its potential for a worldwide investment. This is a good company. The company's strong revenue growth and profitability underscore its ability to generate sustainable returns, making it an attractive choice for investors. This is a consistent company. It has a diversified portfolio and a global presence, which will allow it to minimize risks like inflation, recession. With a focus on innovation and technology advancements, Caterpillar is well positioned for future growth and changing customer demands. And they're showing a chart where the revenue growth is growing and the earnings. These companies are a little overvalued, and Caterpillar is right in with its peers. I've never traded Cummins. Current price is $209, and a fair value price for this is $260. So the analyst believes that this, using discounted cash, or the analysts believe this should be traded at $260. So it's undervalued, according to the fair value model. Now, this is not all that good a news chart. The analysts are saying it's going to go to 230, and this stock is trading at what? 209. So in 1 year, it's going to grow the price, but it's not going to grow that much. But I think in 2.5 months, this stock is going to go at least 8%. Why do I think that? This is a free tool called Options AI, and it has a paid version too. It's a fairly good information. Anyway, Caterpillar currently is at 212 as we're speaking, and in about 3 months it should go around 8.4. So I just shaved off a little bit. I don't care about, made it 8%, and if it I'm bullish on it, should get to 221 if it gets to grows to about 8%. 221 currently here, and we'll bring this down to 221, somewhere in that area there. And do you think it's going to get up there or go back down? Keep continuing on down. That's what you have to figure out. This is TradingView. Again, this is another free tool. It does a lot. And you can do some paper trading too. The MACD says go up. The RSI says go up. And this is the TTM squeeze. I sometimes you have that, and sometimes you have the stochastics. They're all really the same stuff. But this is momentum, and the momentum seems to be was going down, and now it's fading a little bit. The momentum's fading. This is like a softball or something like that. You throw the football, it goes up for a while, and then it starts fading back down. And it's the reverse is true for a short. Anyway, these things are saying it might go up. The price is looking like it's going to go up. And if it goes to 220, what kind of option trade can I do for that? This is called Option Strat. It's a simulation tool, an option simulation tool, and you can simulate all these different kinds of strategies. The two I like to use a lot is for a bullish would be a bull put spread. It's a credit spread. You're selling and you're instantly getting in your pocket, and you can apply that money to other trades. And a put broken wing. These are bullish type categories, strategies. I mean, that's what we're going to do. A put broken wing out in July 21st. And this consists of selling 2 puts, the 220s, and buying 2, which will cause you to have a net credit. The difference, it's going to be a net credit of 163 and a max loss of 837. That's a lot. It's just going to cost you $1,000 to do this trade in margin. But that's not what you're going to lose. You're not going to lose $837. And max profit on this thing, if everything goes your way, could be up to $1,200. Your break even is above 208. This has to stay above 208, which is down here. Has to stay above 208 to win. Now what happens if it goes to 221? There's where 8%. 221. If it goes above the 221, right in this area here, you're going to have a profit of around that. I'm just guessing. That's your profit line. Anywhere. So you can take profit anytime. If it goes to 221 in a couple of days, you're going to take $100. Let's just say 206. And if you have a stop loss of around 200, you're going to lose 227. So this is your playing field. If it truly goes to 8%, this is your top line. And if it goes to 221, which is about 5%, this is your profit line. So let's be conservative on this. And I like this trade. Gives me a lot of areas for profit. If I get a little panicky or need some money, and we have just a little rise in my favor, I can put $70 in my pocket quite nicely. Else I can wait and ride it out and collect premium, just like collecting rent, as long as it stays in favor of my direction that I picked. And if it gets to 221, wow, sweet. That's like expiration. 221 at expiration gives you all that money. Wow. But you got to hold it. And the longer you hold it, the riskier it is. And you got to know when to take profit. It's not easy. A lot of people just want to take profit right away, though. As soon as they see a little profit, it's better to kind of wait it out and see how the trade develops. Anyway, do you think it's going to get to 221 or go down? Indicators say it should go up. Caterpillar is a good company. Big green snowflake. I like the trade. How about leaving a comment below and subscribe? It really helps the channel. And don't forget our Discord, where we show ideas just like this, including the one I'm just doing now, asking, do you think this slide is over? And by the way, this chart here is OmniBroker chart. It's the same as the TradingView chart that I had. The same criteria. I just use it because I have an algo written in the OmniBroker that tells me when these things are happening. And I just put this chart. And then here's a trade here. It's in the free area. Some trade ideas. Microsoft Iron Condor. That's this morning. And Boeing. I took a Boeing trade and did a video on that. And then we have a premium area, which gives you the latest. This is updated 3 or 4 times a day. It gives you the latest trades based on the 3 indicator. This is a mean reversion and gap filler. It's a little more robust. And to get that, it's about $7 a month to support the channel. It's really not trade singles, but some trade ideas that you can go ahead and pursue further. I only have time to discuss 1 or 2 a day. That's because I'm an active trader. Anyway, happy trading. I hope you like what you're doing. Caterpillar. I'm slightly bullish on it and happy to trade long. Catch you on the flip.